I'm just gonna rush someone. Good luck. Geo. What the fuck? What's that? Wow, I'm lagging. Maybe I will not be as good as I thought I would be. Cool lag. Yeah, I might not be able to do as good. Wow, lagging. This guy doesn't mage. Wow, this guy can't breed. All he does is... Wow, what the fuck? I'm trying to go for the pod. And pod him out. I do not give a fuck. Let me hit. Wow, really, you know. I shouldn't have put that on. Cheer. Fucking spastic. I might go for another inventory. If I die, I die. It's Josh's kid. Good luck. Wow, I suck at typing. Hopefully this guy will be a good, like a normal person. Maybe I can hit like a normal person, this will be better. Wow. What am I doing? If you want to save something, I want to save too then. That's cool. He wants to run away. Oh, fucking this always happens to me. Wow, it's on my computer. Oh cool, cool, I see. Oh cool, with DDS. I think I'm not frozen. Kid. Wow, it's fucking baggy. Wow. Wow, is this guy falling serious? Just because I killed him before doesn't mean you have to pass the PJ like a faggot. Fucking hell. Oh my god, can I please hit? I'm out. This kid's nothing. This guy shouldn't play the game. He obviously doesn't know how to breed. I just started today and I'm not doing too bad. Cool. Yep, that would happen. Fuck man, so many people are shitting this game. Anyways, hope you guys liked this video. You probably wouldn't, but if you want me to do more, just like hybriding, no raging, etc. Okay. Like, great, babe, whatever. Okay, see ya.